In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the default duration of your events in Google Calendar. If you're someone who frequently uses Google Calendar to manage your schedule, you know how important it is to have events set to just the right length. Whether you want them shorter to fit more meetings into a hectic day or longer to dive deeper into important discussions, having control over this can be a game changer. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Google Calendar in your browser. If you haven't already, go ahead and navigate over to Google Calendar. Once you're there, you're going to want to head to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Now you should be on the main settings page. On the left side of this page, you'll see a list of various settings categories. Under the General section, you'll want to click on Event Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to setting defaults for your calendar events. Once you're in the Event Settings section, scroll down until you come across a setting that says Default Duration or something similar. This setting determines how long your events will be by default when you create new ones. You'll see a drop-down menu next to this setting. Click on this drop-down, and you'll be presented with a list of different time intervals. Depending on how you prefer to organize your time, you can select the duration that suits you best. Perhaps you want quick 15-minute check-ins or more extensive 60-minute meetings. Just choose whichever option aligns with your needs. After you've made your selection, rest assured that any new events you create from now on will automatically default to this duration. This can save you time and make scheduling on the fly even more seamless. It's a small tweak, but one that can greatly enhance productivity. By customizing your event durations, you take a step toward more personalized and efficient calendar management. Remember, you can always return to the settings and adjust the duration if your scheduling needs change. Feel free to explore other settings here to further tailor Google Calendar to your preferences. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today as we made Google Calendar work just a little bit better for you. I hope this adjustment helps you manage your time more effectively. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Happy scheduling!